In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you're getting no sound through your TV while playing on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings in the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll down and open up Sound Settings. From here, scroll down to Audio Output. And where it says Output Device, you want to ensure this is on HDMI device TV. Now for Switch Output Device Automatically, I recommend you turn that on. And for the HDMI device type, you'll want to select one of these options based on your setup. But for most people, TV will be just fine. Now you want to go back to the home menu, and you want to make sure that the volume's turned up on your TV, as well as trying a different HDMI port on it, or a different HDMI cable. Now if that doesn't fix anything, press the PlayStation button on your controller, and we're going to go down to Game Base, and if you happen to be in a party, go to it, and then you want to scroll down and scroll over to these three dots, and make sure that the audio balance isn't all the way over to voice chat, because that could be the reason why you're not hearing the game. And if all else fails, I'd recommend restarting your console as well as TV. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.